Hi viewers, in this video I am going to review about Oliver Tulip fountain pen. This is one of the finest pen which is available with Oliver, and let us have a shorter review on this particular pen. Yeah, this Tulip comes in four brilliant colors, and it is a plastic pen with the gold trims. So it's a piston filler type pen, and if we rotate this, and we can see the piston comes. If we rotate anti-clockwise, the piston will come to the top, and after dipping it in the bottle, and you need to rotate clockwise so that ink gets filled. So this is the mechanism of this pen, and it has number 4 nib. It is a dual tone nib, and we will see how the pen writes in a moment. So I will show the black color variant also. The nib is very beautiful, and again this is a piston type mechanism. In camlin we have 47, the same type. In candite zephyr, and in uh, Bina, Lincoln. So all these pens are really beautiful to have such mechanisms. So this is Tulip. This model is really good, and it is one of the fast moving pen among children, and this writes very well. And even in our shop, this pen is having a good counter sale. I will take this pen and let me um, make a sample writing, and let me dip this ink. Wow, the nib writes very well. It is like a butter. Definitely you can make a try on this pen. This is a very beautiful pen, and the finishing was also comparatively good than other models in Oliver. Normally Oliver pens in aesthetic wise it is really good, but this pen is superb really. It has a good attractive clip and body also. If you have any queries on this particular type of model, and then you can leave us in the comments so that we can help you better. These are the 4 color variants: white, black, and blue, maroon. Thanks for watching this video.